Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to share your Office 365 family subscription with other people. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, to share your Office 365 family subscription with other people, open up your web browser of choice and then do a Google search for Microsoft account login. The best match should be the Microsoft account sign-in page, and the URL should be account.microsoft.com. You can go ahead and click on that. On the next page, just click on Sign In to be redirected to the Microsoft Sign In page. Once here, just enter the email address for your Microsoft account, then click on Next or press Enter on your keyboard. On the next screen, you need to enter the password for that account and then click on Sign In or again press Enter on the keyboard. You should be prompted if you want to stay signed into the account, and you can choose any option you like. I'll just choose Yes. You should then be redirected to this page where you can manage your Microsoft account. On this page, you can click on the Services and Subscriptions tab here on the left. On the next page, you'll see what type of Microsoft 365 products you have, and it must be Microsoft 365 Family or else you won't be able to share it with other people. You can't share the Microsoft 365 Personal version with other people as it is only intended for one user. But if you have the Family version and you want to share it, just scroll down on this page and then click on the Share Your Subscription option. You should then see a new window where you can either copy an invite link or you can email an invite directly to the person you want to share it with. For this tutorial, I'm going to select the email invite option, and next you just need to enter the email address of the person you want to share it with. Once you've entered the email address, just click on Share to send the invitation to that person, and if it is successful, you'll see this screen where it says the invite has been sent, and then you can just click on Done. Now, the person receiving the invitation needs to check their emails, and they should see an email that looks similar to this where it says that someone has invited you to join their Microsoft 365 Family subscription. To claim the shared subscription, all they need to do is click on the Get Started button and then follow the prompts to claim it to their Microsoft account. Now, unfortunately, I can't show you how to do that in this video, but I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out. Anyway, I hope this guide has been useful to you. Please remember to like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions or thoughts on the video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.